Welcome back to our video series to help you create a high converting Shopify store with PageFly. In today's video, you'll learn how to be familiar with some of the basic elements. So welcome to the PageFly dashboard. So some key things to note are the 6 different types of pages you can create on the left hand side and the 24-hour support chat box in the bottom left corner if you've got any issues when you're using the app. Now it is time to create a new page, so we'll head over to this big blue button here that says create a page, and here is where we type in the page name. I'll call it demo for this video. The page URL is automatically created and the page type is a regular page. So for now we'll go ahead and click next, and this is a section where you choose your pre-made templates to save you time when you're making pages, but for now we're going to stick with blank and press next. Welcome to the PageFly editor. So let's run through some of the basic features very quickly from top to bottom, left to right. Right here is the page settings where you can change the page type and some other parameters. Beside that is to quickly juggle between templates. Here is how you toggle on your theme styling or off. So that's basically the head and footer for your theme so you can see it within the editor. Here is how you optimize for mobile, tablet and laptop devices. This is how you undo mistakes and redo them. Close the editor, save your progress, preview it, or if you want to make the page go live, click publish. And then to view the page, live view. On the left hand side, these are all the sections where you add your different elements. So we have PageFly elements, Shopify elements, third-party elements and saved sections. And if you come down to the very bottom left, this little box that says add custom code lets you add in your own custom CSS or JavaScript to give your page a unique design. So for now we're going to add some basic elements onto the page to give you an idea of how it all works. So if we come over to the left toolbar, under add section, we can choose an image with a text overlay and simply drag and drop it onto the page. Next, we will head and add a regular element, and in the search bar, we can search for a paragraph, click on it, and once again drag and drop it right underneath our image element. And finally, we will add a Shopify element. So in the left toolbar, head over to add Shopify element, and we're going to choose a product list. That will go directly underneath our paragraph. Important to note is that when you want to customize any of these elements, you simply need to click on it, head over to styling, and here you can change all the parameters like the color, the font, the weight, and the size. It's also important to note that when you click on an element, you can easily navigate to other parts of the page using the breadcrumb navigation on top. So we can see that the section contains a row, the row contains a column, and the column contains a paragraph, and to move in between any of them, simply click on it. Now I'm just going to quickly add an image in here. And then we'll go ahead and publish the page. And then to see what it looks like in real time, we'll go ahead and click live view. And here we have it. Obviously these elements such as the headings and the fonts and the colors and the sizing need to be optimized to be congruent with your brand color and your overall image. So that is how familiar with some of the basic elements. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget you can reach PageFly on our 24-hour support line within the PageFly dashboard.